Well, after big-time wintry conditions hit the Minneapolis area, we're keeping our eyes on a system that's going to deliver a lot less snowfall, but still be impactful, mainly Wednesday night and into your Thursday morning. Those have been first alert weather days since last week. Here's what we're tracking and want to make sure that you're aware of. This storm track, model run to model run, the forecast's changing and continues to change, mainly with the track and sometimes with the timing of the system. But the main changes with the track are it's shifting the intensification of the storm a little east, which means the greatest snowfall potential will shift. And I'm thinking Valley, Red River Valley, and points east into Minnesota will have the best chance at picking up some snowfall. The timing of the system still looks to be Wednesday late into Thursday morning. And the good news is it's mainly an overnight system, and we're not going to have ridiculous amounts of snow, but because of the wind and cold coming after it, it continues to be a first alert weather day. Storms, as we told you earlier, some could be severe in southern Minnesota as we go through Wednesday night. Notice we'll have that transition zone too, and that could make an icy concoction on area roads. Then in the overnight hours, well, the American model here shows a combination of wind and snow from the valley and points east. Where you see the darker blue shades here, those are the heavier bands of snow. So the best chance of some more significant accumulations with the American model are off to the east into Minnesota. So from the valley and points east, where you see the dark blue, that'll be the best chance of 6, maybe isolated more inches of snow. Many of us getting an inch or 2. But with the wind and the cold conditions coming, it's going to be unfun for travelers. European model really hasn't changed as much with its track or timing with the storm, starting as rain, shifting to snow. But notice this, the heaviest of the snow up into Canada and eastern Minnesota, but a more widespread swath of moderate snow throughout the overnight hours. Could have more of us seeing 1 to 3 inches of snow with isolated 6. We'll keep you posted as to that because models should start being more in agreement as we go through the next 24 hours or so. For tonight, showers of snow mainly moving up into the north of the international border and the I-94 corridor, seeing a smattering of light precipitation that I have not seen reaching the ground as of yet on area DOT cams. Right now at Hector, your temperature is 31 degrees, 32 at Moorheads Airport, wind very light. Your sunset tonight was 4:39. And here's a look at where things are warmer than freezing to the south of the white line, which is the freezing line. We have mid and upper 20s to near 30 in Hallock right now as we enjoy quiet conditions. Now, here's the thing that you need to know for the forecast tonight. Clouds now will decrease as we go through the overnight hours and the wind increases. So because the wind is going to increase from the southeast, we'll have a breezy morning and a very mild one. Some of you, particularly our northern counties, will have rising temperatures in the deep overnight hours. So you'll be back up to those mid 20s to around 30 to start your day, and that's where most of us start. Increasing sunshine through the morning hours and increasing wind. It'll be gusty in places with gusts over 35 miles per hour. It's going to drive temperatures back up into the 35 to 40 degree range in our southwest counties and a lot of mid 30s elsewhere for a beautiful or terrific Tuesday. The evening forecast looks quiet as well. So enjoy your sunshine tomorrow. This shot from Otter Tail County, courtesy of Pat. Thanks so much for sharing that. The dock looks a little chilly there to be out jumping into the water. All right, taking a look at Wednesday. Warm, temperatures near 40 degrees. Late, clouds, rain, changing to snow. Overnight will be the most difficult travel conditions into the early morning. There will be impacts for some of you for your Thursday morning. We'll have details on that. And then, as we take a look at your temperatures, the bottom falls out of the bucket. Lows will be below 0, highs only in the teens. Sunday, another shot of some light snow in your forecast. And again, make sure that you keep up to date with the latest on that midweek system because I expect we could see yet a few more changes. Very inconsistent model runs.
We'll be watching close.
All right.
Thanks, Hutch.